version, but we're going to do this. Even data center, if you want other data center tools, um, like Hyper-V, stuff like that, um, that's what you use. We just need this standard and the EULA. So accept. And as you can see, this is the entire 100 gigs that we had allocated earlier. If you wanted to create different partitions for various reasons, you could do that. If you need to load in drivers, you would do that here as well. If there's nothing showing up in this box, you would just simply you just click refresh to see if you can pick up any of your drives. If not, you have a different issue you need to troubleshoot. Let's go to next.